Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to rename the prompt, search the prompt on your search history of the prompt on your Google Gemini on your Android mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button video. We just quickly get into the video. So you can ask how to rename the Gemini prompt. I just going to show. So first of all, I just open the Gemini first. I just need to rename the search history prompt. So click on the three dot option. Here, for an example, here is about I just asked about some Apple thing. So it shows Apple company or fruit. So just long press on it. Click on the rename option. Now I just going to change this to the Apple. So for an example, you can just choose either Apple or whatever. So for an example, you have done some research. You just need to search it like what the prompt you just need. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this probable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.